Yeah, Nadushan, what are you doing?
Feeding.
What thing you are feeding? Yeah, everything is going to bite me.
Passion fruit.
Okay.
Papaya.
Papaya,
Guava.
guava. Yes, see everything. Yeah, see. How many fashion fruit you are keeping for that? Show me that one firstly. Show me the, you just clean the dish and all. Okay, do. They are not eating, no?
They are asking me this.
You like this, that birds? You like these birds much? Yashi, what you are feeding? Here, come, baby. The parrot also is user friendly with you.
Only one. That one.
Others?
No.
Oh, you all are sitting on my head also. Okay, only the fruits you are giving for them,
Yes, no, nuts also.
nut also, and you just in the morning you are giving some that samaposa and egg.
Yes.
How many eggs you have to give per day for all?
One egg.
Hmm?
One egg.
One egg. It's
No,
enough.
two.
Sorry,
Two.
two eggs enough for this one.
Yes.
Okay. Which is the one you like most?
That one.
That one. It is friendly with every people or only with you?
Only with me.
Only with you. That also, I also friendly with that. I think is that
Some will come, some not come.
really. Show me that. Here, come, baby, come. Here. It will be biting, going to bite. Okay. All eye on my head. Yashi, you like this Sangonia bird?
Yes.
It's a name, all are same color. You don't have any different colors in this kind of birds.
Yes, all are same color.
All are same color. No red color, no green color, no white color. Is that not?
No.
No.
In that bird's only.
That is parrot.
In here.
Oh, nice. Be here. It is going away here and there.
They see up.
Ah, it's dancing. It's dancing now. Hi. Can you give me that? No, what you don't do that. It is biting, Yashi. Here, what is this one you are feeding for this one? Millet? It will be bite
Yes.
for me.
Yes.
Me?
See.
Oh, see, I'm going to. No. Come, baby. I don't do anything. Oh, see, doing that. You are a naughty fellow. Shall I? Safa, you also biting. No, then why you are just killing me? See, other birds. Just call the other birds here.
They will fly.
Oh, Rit also just coming to me. I'm scared. Here, Baba, come. Will you bite me my hand? Oh, it's my not a fruit. Only one bird is friendly or all? Can you just call all the birds to talk to you? See, everyone is swinging.
After they eat only they'll come.
Really? It's too nice. It will be biting.
Yes.
That parrot should be bite?
Yes.
Or it's their swing?
They will
Sorry?
what?
This one, what you are doing?
Trying the sticks.
Yashi, what you are feeding for those?
Go.
Guava. You eating?
Eating and feeding.
Eating and feeding. Bite this girl. In the morning you are giving nuts, in the evening you are giving fruits, is that?
No.
Then?
They will change every day.
Okay. Every day different food you are giving. Morning you also. How many times you are feeding per day?
One time only.
No. You have given the papaya morning, then how can you say it's a one time?
Feeding is 2 times.
That's why I asked.
One time nuts, one time fruits.
That's why morning here you just feed for that. What is that? Papaya. Then evening also you are giving some fruits for that. Then how can you say nuts and this?
No nuts. I need to take nuts from the bag.
Do you take?
Yes.
Okay. They are very friendly with you, no? So, everyone dancing well
Yeah.
and swing. Yeah, yes. If you go outside, it will be fly away from you.
Yes.
Fly away.
Yes.
Then scary to take out, no?
This one in the shop, it flew away.
Then how did you get this again here?
After some time, it came again.
The pair, how much rupees pair?
One is 35,000.
That is small one, no? I think 1.5 lakhs. Is that? You are going to sell the babies? Then
These are babies.
these are babies.
This is only the adult.
Yeah, with me also. Oh, nice. But this bird is not friendly with you. That it's just started to lay eggs.
No.
Started to lay egg.
No.
It's a male one, no female one. Male.
Yes. That is a female.
It's a female because of the neck. There is a red color one. That's the reason it's a male. And without this neck, that is female. Is that? I got that?
Yes.
Yeah. They are also one male and female. Am I correct?
That is a male, that is a female.
Yeah, is that?
That is a baby.
How many? It's a baby. How many months old are these old birds? That's yellow color birds, parrots.
All these two are 1 year, these were 6 months.
6 months.
Exactly, no.
It's bite me. Bite me that here I got some worried or thing. Okay, come here. I don't do anything. I'm going to feed you, baby. Come here. I'm not friendly with you, you know. That's the reason it's not coming with me. Is that?
This is the first time you are entering the cage.
Yes. Or otherwise, I'm just looking at outside now.
Only outside. You should come inside. Yes,
You come, please. Come, please. Come, I will give you some food for you. Come, I only bought for those fruits. I will be giving orange. They are just sitting with you only.
no orange. Orange finish.
Yes, I will be just giving orange. Come here. I will give you different food. What's the name of these birds? Give me that.
No name. Sangonia.
No name.
Yes, we should.
Shall I name those?
No need.
Why?
If they grows, there will be so much.
It's biting me. See how is it biting? On my head also hitting some.
This will go into pieces now.
You like my bangle? No, biting me. Yeah, you like my bangle?
Yeah, he will.
No, that will be bite.
It will
See,
make it
don't-
in 2 pieces.
Is that?
Yes.
Is my bangle?
Yes.
Will you're that much of strength your birds?
It break my silver chain.
How is I can't believe that.
It broke it. My hand is bite it.
On my head also some. Can you take those birds from my head? I'm just scary. Yeah, come baby here. Come baby, come here. I'm just calling you now. Here, this is silently sitting.
Okay.
This one.
Yes, this is like company.
It is having no. It's scary and good. That is their nest.
No, this one. That is for them.
Sorry,
That is for the baby pair. That is for them too. This one.
this one. You don't have any other that like this pot for these Sangonia birds?
Eh?
You don't have?
They should grow first.
You have to wait some days.
Yes. Wait some years. 1 year.
1 year like how many months old these babies?
These are now only 7-8 months.
7-8 months.
Yes.
Then you have to wait at least 3 months only. Within within 1 month or 1 year or 2 years when they have started to lay eggs.
2 years they
See
start.
how it is. Both are biting. See, both are biting me. See, don't do that. Tell. See. Oh my goodness. See my hand.
Ow.
Biting you also, no?
Like I am keeping here.
Why you are keeping here? You see. Getting angry?
This is the smallest thing. These 3.
Sorry?
This is the smallest in this.
This one? How many months is that?
This is only 7 or 5. 7 or 6.
That?
Yes.
So beautiful. See, it was bite my hand.
Mosquito is biting.
Mosquitoes biting. Then you had to do something for that. That is not come to me.
Here, come in. Here, come. Ouch, ouch.
Okay, what happened to this spot?
Because of this.
It's bites.
Yes.
Everything is sitting on me also. See, every day you are playing with us.
Yes.
Then how many hours or minutes you are just playing with those?
1 hour.
1 hour?
Not 2 hours.
2 hours?
Yes.
Then you don't study. See, it is biting my hands. Here, come. Sit on me, come here. Come to me. Don't bite, just come. See, it's coming. See, these birds like my bangles. See, it can break this.
Yes.
How do you know?
Here. Bend it.
That's already it was.
This thing.
Don't do that. I think it's a girl.
Hmm?
It's like spangle. See, go with my son. Go.
You are enemies.
For what?
Hmm?
For what enemy?
2 enemies.
Oh, I got that.
I get up.
It also here. Shall I beat?
Yes.
No. It will be biting again. It's really nice. It's really nice. It's beautiful too.
Hmm?
Oh, okay. Yes. What I tell you? Here,
Sometimes many squirrels will be here.
it come inside.
Yes.
Oh. You catch?
Yes. I have catch this week 2 squirrels.
Oh. See, I told you don't bite my fingers, but you are not following me. See, come. I'm going to give you some fruits only. Why you are just biting me? Why you are making harm? I'm giving you this bangle. Don't worry. Come. You also come. All come. Come here, baby. All sit on my head. You lock me? Please release me from those birds. You are going to bite me. Come. Getting anchor on me here. Just release me from this. These are just scary, but beautiful too. We had already blue color, no?
Blue and
White,
green.
green, and we had a white color also earlier.
Eh?
Yeah, when you were a small boy, we had.
No, that is a yellow baby.
No, I know when you had like a 6-7 months, we had many yellow, white color one. Yeah. Yes.
6 months when I was 6 months, you were in Colombo.
Column, no, we had here also. Don't bite. Here. This one is like my ankle. So.